Hi there! As usual, new week, new video from Cleverroad. In this video, we are going to talk about the development of the COS of website in 2017, as well as consider the COS of different website types and separate development stages. Let's start. As we have pointed out hundreds of times, there are too many factors influencing the final price of the digital product. That's why it's impossible to provide an exact price, having no clue about the project details and goals. However, it's still possible to calculate an approximate cost. So, we have singled out three types of websites for the development of which we are hired most frequently. Business websites. Generally, this type of websites is informational and intended to promote the brand and increase the loyalty of the company's target audience. Its costs depend on the level of complexity. Generally, the development time of business websites range between 190 and 260 hours. In turn, the price depends on companies' per hour rate. The internet has captured the world, so it's not surprising that the stores are migrating there in search of additional revenue and new opportunities. E-commerce websites have a variety of specified elements and features that demand both a marketing strategy and a well-thought-out design. This factor influences the required development time and price respectively. On average, the development time of e-commerce platforms take from 350 to 750 hours. A landing page is a website that has one single page. As a rule, such websites are not overloaded with content in order not to divert users' attention from the main goal of website – motivation to certain action. The type of development can vary depending on the animation complexity. However, generally it takes from 20 to 40 hours of development. If to talk about development from scratch, you need a design, front-end part, back-end part and CMS. That's what these stages are. Design has become a vital factor contributing to project success. In the context of great competition that prevails in the IT industry, design helps to capture users' attention and call them to certain actions. The cost of designing a website depends on the project size and its goals. As our practice shows, the web design takes from 15 to 80 hours. By the way, watch our new video related to UX design techniques in order to better understand the process of its creation. And subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our new exciting videos. Front-end is everything your customer can see and interact with. The main factors influencing the average cost of this stage are responsive or adaptive design and complexity of animations. This part takes from 20 to 250 hours. In a nutshell, backend is the heart of your project, that in the most cases powers all the prominent features. If your project is something more than just a page with animations, the backend will take the great part of the final bill. The main factors influencing the total development time of a website on this stage are working with third-party services, non-standard tasks for data processing, and complex queries. We usually spend from 80 to 150 hours on the backend part. Content Management System or CMS is a software solution allowing website holders to create, manage and edit digital content on their resources. This way, if you want to change the text in some paragraphs on a web page, you don't need to refer to developers to do that. There are a lot of CMS engines like Shopify, WordPress, Drupal, however, they are not always applicable in some particular cases. So, if there is a need to build a CMS from scratch, it will take from 60 to 80 hours. There are several additional expenses you will definitely be faced with when launching your own websites. The website's domain name is a unique address that you can see in the address bar of your browser. You can get one on specialized services that will cost you from $5 to $15 yearly. In simple terms, hosting is a service that makes your website accessible for the internet users 24/7. Actually, it's an important thing, since the quality of your hosting provider directly influences loading time and your support. The prices vary from $75 to $200 yearly. The website should be maintained just like a mechanisms in order to keep it moving and working efficiently. Maintenance includes making sure all the hardware and software components are working properly. Again, prices depend on a company and range from $500 up to $12,000. That's all for now. Read our full article to learn expenses for websites promotion and see our infographic with approximate figures. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. See you next time!